Hello, Chiban here. In this video, I'll solve this question about population growth. Here, the population of beetles is given at 0 week is 3. So basically, here week and the population, and 0 week population is 3. That's why it tells you. And the population after 9 weeks is 48. So after 9 week, population going to be 48. So remember that week here is n. So n is represented week. So I should say n is a week, and the population is going to be y. Here we have an equation that's y equals to, so we model the population as a variable y. So this is the linear model, and as you remember that if you read the book, linear model is going to be y equals mx plus b in this format, where m is the slope or constant rate of change, okay, and b is the y-intercept. Also, b is called initial population, okay, or initial value. So we're going to find this model or this equation, and we answer the first part of the question. So to find this, we got to find what's the m here and what is the b here. So b here is obviously initial population, which is 0, because at the week 0 the population is going to be initial or starting population, which is 3. So this is b, okay, this is the b. Now we need rate of change. So rate of change is how much population increases in every week, per week. So the population was 3 at the beginning, correct? Now it becomes 48. How much changes? 48 minus 3, 48 minus 3 is going to be 45 changes in the population. In how many weeks? In 9 weeks. Remember that 0 to 9 is 9 weeks. So this is the change in the population, 45, right? Change in week is 9. In 9 week, the population changes to 45. So in each week, per week, how much population changes? That's going to be the slope. So in 1 week, population changes to 45 over 9, which is going to be 5. So every week, the population changes by 5 beetles. So in this equation, this b is going to be slope or rate of change. So our function is going to be y equals to 5x plus b, which is 3. That's the model. Now next question, how many weeks will the beetle population reach 93? So 93 here is the population you are given. That's the y value, and we have to find how many weeks. So we got to find n here. By the way, here x here is n, okay. In the equation, this x is n because here in the question n is week, which represented x. So I should say when you write the answer, you put 5n plus 3. That's the linear model or linear growth model. Now to find out how many weeks the beetle population reached 93, you got to find n value where y is going to be 93. So basically I'm going to do 93 as a y equals to 5n plus 3. So this is the equation to solve for n, right? Then you subtract 93 minus 3 going to be 90 equals 5n. So you divide by 5, which gives you n equals to 18. So 18 weeks, the population of beetles going to be 93. So answer going to be 18 here, and have a weeks already there, okay? All right, thank you for watching.